Busy schedule? No problem. Let's transform your day with these 5 quick yoga routines that take just 10 minutes. Whether you're looking to boost your energy or reduce stress, these sequences are perfect for anyone on the go. First up, the sun salutation. This full body stretch gets your blood flowing and clears your mind. Just 2 minutes of this, and you're good to go. Next, the seated forward fold. Perfect for releasing tension in your back and hamstrings. A minute here can work wonders. Need a mental reset? Child's pose is your answer. Spend 2 minutes here for ultimate relaxation. Cat-cow pose is the perfect remedy for a stiff spine. Alternate between these movements for 2 minutes to feel rejuvenated. Finally, finish with deep breathing. Just 3 minutes can help you focus and tackle the day ahead with ease. Want to enhance your practice? The Gaiam Beginner's Yoga Starter Kit is the perfect companion, offering everything you need to start strong. Invest in yourself today. Remember, just 10 minutes can transform your day. Like, subscribe, and share for more life-changing routines.